I know you lied. Niggas said UAPs. Niggas said UFOs. Niggas said aliens. Like what? You guys are still asleep. This shit is crazy. 2025. Just a couple of more days for 2025. Y'all niggas is crazy, bro. Like I'm here laughing. This is why I'm making this video. I'm laughing my ass off. Thank you, Father. You are so amazing. That's why I praise you every day, my Father. I love you with all my heart. Bro, those is the most highest chariots, bro. Those is chariots, bro. Chariots. Wow. That's how that's how disconnected you guys are from the most high God. You don't even remember what type of things your father used to do for you. When you guys were slaves in Egypt, y'all used to sing songs about the chariots. You remember that? Y'all gotta stop, bro. And then y'all scared of your own salvation. Like I don't understand that shit, bro. Y'all niggas been in these United States as slaves. And y'all been praying your whole life for the Most High God to deliver you. And now the Most High God is listening and paying attention to your slavery, and He's orchestrating a way for you to get out of it. You guys are scared of the salvation. I don't get this shit, bro. I don't understand the Father. But you know what it is? It's not your fault, bro. It's your oppressor's fault. They embedded that shit into your head so deep, bro. So deep, bro. So deep. UFOs, and then the new one is UAPs. You guys are scared of the angels of the Most High God. This is crazy, father. Y'all gotta wake up, bro. It's hot times. I'm gonna just keep going. Thank you, father.